honey, it's been a hot minute. Are we in the frame? Are we even in the frame? Okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and today we're doing a Litty takedown. Okay, I got some sangria. Things are about to be popping. I'm gonna put on some music and I'm gonna take these braids out because they've been in for like 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks at this point, and my scalp is itching like crazy, so I gotta take these down. But y'all, I feel like I haven't sat down and recorded in so long. Like, it's been so long. It hasn't, but it has. I've been around the world and back again, okay? And I'll do an update, a life update. You guys will be getting South Africa vlogs. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know some of the shenanigans that went down when I've been gone. But yeah, that's where I've been, and I'm gonna just jump right back into it. So yeah, before I get started, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you like this type of content. Go follow me on Instagram because your girl is a world traveler now, okay? I hit foreign countries up on the regular. But without further ado, grab a glass of whatever you sipping on this afternoon, this evening, and we just gonna jump right into it. So my scalp is itching to the gods, okay? It is super dandruffy and super itchy. I'ma zoom in. Well, I'm gonna get close to the camera so y'all can see. Your girl's scalp is just not looking A1. I haven't washed my hair in like 3 weeks. I got it braided up 2.5 weeks ago. And I got the box braids because if y'all follow me on Instagram, you know I went to South Africa. And the one thing I was not gonna do over there, sis, was my hair. But I'm back now. And I am very dandruffy and itchy, and these just got to go. I know some of y'all are probably gonna ask for maintenance on how I kept up my braids. I didn't. I didn't do anything, and I actually already started taking them out in the back. So I couldn't wait, y'all. I couldn't wait. These had to come out, so I already started releasing them. And I'm gonna do the other half on camera as much as I can. It is a lot of hair. My friend Stefani, she's the best. She put in these box braids for me. I will link her information down below if you are in the Metro Atlanta area. I highly recommend her. I absolutely love them. I think it was a great vacation hairstyle. Personally, I don't know if I would ever get braids this long again, just because it's a lot to deal with. But she put them in very gentle. It was easy. I mean, I didn't have to do anything while I was on vacation, which is the most important part. And I just think it looks amazing. Like, even still, like outside of my scalp and, you know, my edges looking fuzzy. Yes, I was using edge control every day, slicking these things back, and they've loosened up a little bit, but I still think like they look pretty good for it being like 2.5, almost 3 weeks old. I already started drinking, y'all. And I know it's about to be a long night. They gotta go, okay? They gotta go. My scalp needs to be set free. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on some music and let y'all watch, and that will pretty much be this video because I'm not maintaining these, okay? I'm not maintaining them whatsoever. I'm just gonna get rid of them, sis. I'm listening to Mariah Carey Christmas. Actually, you know what? I think I'll listen to the Preacher's Wife soundtrack. That's also poppin'. Here we go. Hey guys, so I wanted to give you some details on the hair. I actually got this look inspo from Natural Nisi. She had a vacation hairstyle that was like this, a bohemian look, which is what I was going for also. I have a color 1B, and the pop-up color that you see, the highlight, that is in the color 30, and I am using the Expressions hair. I have beads in my hair on some pieces, but not a lot, and I also had shells in my hair, but most of them fell out by the end of the vacation. I have a game. Let's play a game. Every time I finish a braid, I take a shot. Ooh, honey. Then I wouldn't never get done. Okay, this video would be 357 hours long.
I didn't time myself, but it did take me kind of a while to take all of these braids out because I was working by myself. My mom and my sister didn't want to help me, but it's all good. It's all good. I eventually did get finished. I'm just gonna put on some music and let you guys watch the takedown, and then you guys can also stay tuned for the wash day coming up next on how I clean my scalp. Also, comment below, what is your favorite drink? It could be a mixed drink, cocktail, hard liquor. Let me know down below, what do y'all like to drink?
So many burdens might fall upon me. So many troubles that I have to face. Oh, but I won't let your spirit without me. Hello?
Hey stranger, what's up?
Hey Juju, how are you?
Long time no talk.
I know. I've been around the world and back again, literally.
Yeah, how did it all go?
It was good. I loved it. I love getting out the country. So many cultures and people and music and good food, and the trip was awesome, and I love traveling. Actually, traveling sucks, but after you get there, the vacation is dope.
Everything 'cause you are scared that I might leave you. Well, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. And I'm sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to get through to you. Because you don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could dream of. Baby, won't you hear me? Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way.
We're all done. I went ahead off camera and reparted my hair, applied some more Adwood Beauty deep conditioner, and put it in these little twists, and I'm gonna go to sleep like this because it's kind of late. But y'all, let me show you. This is how much shed hair I got from my Tangle Teaser. Ultimate Tangle Teaser situation, which for 2.5, almost 3 weeks, I don't think is that bad. It's like about normal. Whoop, it's kind of a lot. Anyway, this is how much of my real hair, shed hair I got. It's as big as my face, no big deal. And then I'm gonna try and pick up all of the hair that is on the ground right now. It's a lot. Oh God. This is a small child, so you know, no big deal. But yeah, this is a lot of hair. It's all balled up right now. But this is all the hair that was on my head. I'm gonna throw it out. But yeah, massive amounts of hair, as you guys can see. But my head feels so much lighter. It feels great. I love it. My curls are gonna pop back. I'm gonna try and film a wash day for you guys, like post protective style, and make sure that you know, scalp is still popping, hair is revived, and that everything is back to business as usual. But yeah, I absolutely love the braids. I would definitely do them again. Fun fact about Ebony, that's the first time she's ever had box braids in her life, okay? It took about 8 or 9 hours to put in, and you know, like a few breaks were taken, and then it took me obviously a while to get everything back out. But y'all, I would definitely do it again. I think it's a great vacation hairstyle. It's just, for me, like something else to get used to because my hair is so dense. Like, it's just a lot of hair. You know what I mean? Like, a lot of hair to adjust to. It's a whole nother lifestyle. They were like waist length. Actually, probably like tailbone length. They were really, really long. I'll post pictures on Instagram. Y'all will see. They were really, really long braids, but I absolutely love how they came out. All of my pictures are popping, styles popping, everything looked really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure that my curls are revived and everything bounces back like it's supposed to, edges still intact, and that back to business as usual. Okay, that's what we need, curls to pop back like they never left. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.